Today, we're diving into 12 garage inventions that will completely transform how you work in your shop. And I'm not talking about basic tool organizers or pegboards. These are genuinely innovative products that solve problems you didn't realize had solutions. Let's get into it. Number 12, the Kreg Mobile Project Center. This rolling workbench transforms from compact storage into a full work surface in seconds. The folding design expands from narrow cabinet into spacious workspace. The integrated clamps hold workpieces securely. The storage drawers organize tools and hardware. The power strip with USB ports keeps devices charged. The locking casters allow moving fully loaded, then locking in place. The height is optimized for standing work. The surface is durable and scratch resistant. The assembly is straightforward. The price around $400 provides serious value. The space savings in small garages are enormous. The flexibility allows working anywhere then storing compactly. This workbench proves garage furniture can be both functional and space efficient. Number 11, Gladiator GarageWorks Wall System. This modular wall organization system transforms cluttered garages into organized workshops. The slat wall panels mount to studs, providing serious strength. The hooks and baskets reconfigure without tools. The weight capacity handles heavy equipment. The finish resists moisture and chemicals. The variety of accessories suits any need. The installation is DIY friendly. The expandability allows growing the system over time. The price per panel is reasonable. The transformation is dramatic, with floor space reclaimed and everything accessible. The durability withstands shop abuse. This system proves walls are the most underutilized storage space in garages. Number 10, Milwaukee Packout System. This modular storage system creates portable, organized tool storage. The stackable boxes lock together securely. The dolly base rolls heavy loads easily. The variety of organizers suits different tools. The durability is commercial grade. The weather resistance protects contents. The customizable foam inserts protect delicate tools. The integrated handles make carrying comfortable. The compatibility across the entire line allows building custom configurations. The price seems high until you calculate buying individual boxes. The efficiency improvements are substantial with tools organized and portable. This system proves professional organization is accessible to serious DIY EOs. Number 9, Festool Mobile Dust Extractor. This dust collection system transforms messy shops into clean workspaces. The powerful motor captures 99% of dust particles. The auto-clean filter maintains suction automatically. The tool-activated mode starts when power tools turn on. The hose storage is integrated and tidy. The accessory storage keeps attachments organized. The compact size fits in crowded shops. The noise level is remarkably low. The price exceeds $1,000, but the air quality improvement is dramatic. The health benefits justify the cost. The cleanup time drops to nearly zero. This extractor proves clean air while working is achievable and worthwhile. Number 8, StopPaint Handheld Paint Sprayer. This cordless paint sprayer brings professional results to DIY projects. The lithium battery provides 40 minutes of continuous spraying. The adjustable spray pattern suits different applications. The cleanup is quick with detachable components. The finish quality rivals expensive pneumatic systems. The price under $300 makes it accessible. The portability allows working anywhere. The learning curve is minimal. The results are dramatically better than brushing or rolling. The time savings are enormous. The versatility handles everything from furniture to fences. This sprayer proves professional finishing equipment works for home users. Number 7, DEWALT Cordless Inflator. This portable air compressor handles everything from tires to sports equipment. The cordless design works anywhere without outlets or hoses. The digital pressure gauge is accurate and easy to read. The auto shutoff stops at preset pressure, preventing overinflation. The LED light illuminates work areas. The multiple nozzle attachments handle different valves. The battery compatibility uses existing DEWALT tools. The noise level is surprisingly quiet. The price around $100 is reasonable. The convenience eliminates trips to gas stations. The speed inflates car tires in minutes. This inflator proves air compressors don't need to be stationary. Number 6, Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro. This advanced pocket hole system creates professional joints quickly. The automatic drill guide positions perfectly every time. The Grip Max clamp holds workpieces securely without marking. The dust collection port keeps work areas clean. The material thickness adjustment is quick and precise. The setup is intuitive. The joint strength rivals traditional joinery. The speed is incredible compared to traditional methods. The price around $200 seems high until you use it. The versatility handles projects from cabinets to furniture. The learning curve is minimal. This jig proves woodworking joints can be fast and strong simultaneously. Number 5. Rockwell BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw. This compact saw performs multiple functions in minimal space. The jigsaw blade design is safer than traditional table saws. The rip fence and miter gauge allow precise cuts. The blade changes are tool-free, taking seconds. The variety of blades handles wood, metal, and tile. The footprint is small, fitting on benches. The portability allows working anywhere. The price under $200 is accessible. The safety features prevent the injuries table saws cause. The versatility replaces multiple specialized saws. This saw proves small workshops can handle diverse projects. Number 4. WORX Pegasus Folding Work Table. This portable workbench combines work surface with clamping and sawhorses. The quick clamps built into the surface hold workpieces. The sawhorse mode supports long boards. The table mode provides stable work surface. The folding design stores compactly. The link feature connects multiple tables. The weight capacity is impressive. The setup and breakdown take seconds. The price around $200 provides multiple tools in one. The versatility handles countless tasks. The portability allows working anywhere. This table proves workspace can be portable and capable. Number 3. Bosch Laser Measure with Camera. This laser distance measure uses a camera to capture measurements. The point and shoot interface is intuitive. The accuracy is within 1/16 inch. The range extends to 330 feet. The Pythagorean function calculates indirect measurements. The area and volume calculations are automatic. The photo documentation includes measurements overlaid. The Bluetooth transfers data to phones and tablets. The backlit display works in any lighting. The compact size fits in pockets. The price around $200 seems high for a tape measure replacement. The time savings and accuracy justify the cost though. This measure proves digital tools make work faster and more accurate. Number 2. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Installation Drill. This compact right-angle drill revolutionizes tight space work. The offset head reaches where straight drills cannot. The brushless motor provides power despite small size. The battery life is excellent. The LED light illuminates work areas. The all-metal gearbox is durable. The variable speed trigger provides control. The reverse function removes stuck bits. The compact size fits between studs and joists. The power surprises people expecting compromise from small tools. The price around $200 bare tool is reasonable. The capability transforms frustrating installations into manageable tasks. This drill proves size doesn't determine capability. Number 1. Grizzly Benchtop Jointer. This compact jointer takes the top spot, bringing professional capability to home shops. The helical cutter head produces glass smooth surfaces. The cast iron tables are flat and stable. The fence adjusts precisely. The dust collection is effective. The footprint fits on benches. The power is adequate for hardwoods. The price around $700 is accessible. The results rival industrial machines. The noise is lower than straight knife jointers. The maintenance is minimal with carbide inserts. The learning curve is manageable. The capability transforms woodworking, allowing milling lumber to precise dimensions. The time savings eliminating trips to lumber yards with special orders are substantial. The satisfaction of milling your own lumber is immense. This jointer proves professional capabilities are achievable in home workshops when choosing the right equipment, making it the clear number 1 choice for transforming how you work.